beautiful, beautiful weekend, goddammit. That was amazing, man. I want to thank everybody that came out. I want to thank y'all for the birthday wishes. Y'all flooded my Facebook page, from the Tyrone Henry page to the TJ page to the How You Ride TV page to even the Instagram page, man. Y'all flooded me, man, from the tags on the stories to the comments to the DMs, man, to the personal calls. I got calls from out of town, all different types of shit. I got so many goddamn area codes in my phone right now for text messages and phone calls. I feel blessed and I feel loved. I fuck with y'all, no bullshit. Life changing like a motherfucker, because yesterday I most definitely feel different from Sunday, put it like that. I ain't gonna say too much. That's a whole nother topic. That's a whole nother video. But most definitely, I feel growth. I see growth. And it's a lot that I did last year that I really don't want to do no more. You feel what I'm saying? Number one is cussing. I'm going to slow down on cussing, y'all. I've been cussing since I was probably ain't no telling. You feel what I'm saying? I was a funny nigga, funniest motherfucker in the classroom. So you can understand where that come from. So, you know what I mean? But I'm going to buckle that down just to know, just because I know and I'm seeing that a lot of kids is watching. They don't come out like that, but they is watching me, and I do want to be a better face of this shit we call glazing up here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. We go over the top though, you know what I mean? Like I said, I feel a lot different from Sunday. A lot different from Sunday, and it's a lot that I want to change, and y'all go watch me go through the changes, because you know it ain't gonna be easy. But I'm ready now. Ain't shit gonna change. I'm always be a living testimony to this here play shit. I'm always be a living testimony to this here glaze shit. But you dig what I'm saying, man? It's like the last motherfucking number of the 20s. A lot of y'all might not be able to say this, but my 20s was long as hell, man. That's a quick motivation for y'all, no matter how old you is. If you separate that shit by fives, because when I was 20, I said what I wanted about 25, and I had that shit. Box Chevy on 30s, a daughter, and some more shit. Everything I ever wanted, a single family house. I was in the duplex when I was 24. I told myself that I wasn't putting out no motherfucking Chevy on 30s until I was in the single family. And I made sure that shit happened before 25. And I made something else big from 25 to 30 that I was going to change that shit and put it into YouTube. And y'all seen me, man. As soon as I turned 25, man, I went fucking buku with this YouTube shit. Now I'm finding myself. I'm finding myself to see what I want to do now to end this year chapter off. I couldn't even record a lot at the goddamn show, man. I was high than a mother. Everybody was making sure that I was enjoying myself, so I really didn't get no chance to pull the camera out, catch us vibing, catch us eating pizza and all this other shit. But I loved it, you know what I mean? I ain't gonna forget it in my head.
they ready to go? Yeah.
Yeah, man. Thanks for coming through, man. Thanks for coming through.
All day.
We outside with this shit, dog. What up, nigga? What's going on?
I got the same rims, man. I don't want that shit. I got some wing stop in the car. Let's go to concert. All the guys. Let's go to concert. What the fuck y'all talking about, nigga?
All the guys.
All the guys, nigga.
This motherfucker looking nice, man. Little slid on her. Yes, sir. 26s. We out here, man. Today is my birthday. He said he got the winning ticket, man. He said he went crazy, man. Leaving with the wheels, boy. This shit love, man. No bullshit. We done brought the city out on a chilly goddamn Sunday. The week before Halloween.
Dang shit, boy. You know how we come.
You feel me? I got this motherfucker in my... Yeah, it's your last time of the year, man. I know you ain't doing that shit. Keep it on the G. Thanks for coming, man. sound like book 'em. On what? Book 'em. On what though? Why they still loose, you know what I mean? Yes, sir. Ain't fucking around. Got my boy Pig out here in the coop. Yes, sir. This motherfucker look good, nigga. What you do, bro? I was trying to catch this bitch in the lights, nigga. What you do, nigga? That's why I was pointing inside, nigga. SRT on 30s. SRT on 30. Oh my God. This nigga going fucking fed.
Yeah.
Big ass wheels, man. Dawg, what the? This nigga on 30s. This nigga on. Bro, 30s, my nigga, on the scat. My nigga, 30s on the fucking scat, man. Milwaukee, Wisconsin. How you riding TV, man? That's how my boy Monte Glaze, man. All the time. Look at all that smoke, man. 30s.
6:30 game.
Yeah.
I seen them coming down. I'm like,
Look at all that goddamn smoke, man. On some bullshit. My boy, yeah. Came and showed out for you, man. My boy, man. Love, man. My nigga Monte.